Hey guys, it's Kristen from Concord Window Film. I just wanted to show you today something on the site that may seem a little bit hidden to some, but something we get asked a lot about is if we can custom cut window film for you. So basically we have 3 different ways you can buy our Comfort Tech ceramic series film, which is our flagship product. And if you go onto one of the product pages here, we're in Comfort Tech 35. You'll see we have it in pre-cut kits, so double hung kit, casement kit, a storm door kit, and a patio door kit. And each of those kits is going to fit the majority of windows of that size, but you may have some windows that don't fit into this category or might be a little bit bigger. We also have rolls available in 36-inch, 60-inch, and 72-inch widths and 3 lengths, 25, 50, and 100 foot. The 72 only comes in 50 foot and 100 foot. So you can also buy the film in rolls. And then you'll see down here on every page, it says you have a window that doesn't fit, try our custom kit. So you can order a custom kit here. And I just want to show you how to do it. You have all 5 of the Comfort Tech shades available to you. It comes in standard widths and then 1-inch increments on the length with a minimum of 12 inches.